Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. I was just looking at my analytics there on my YouTube channel, and I noticed that the age group that watch my videos a lot are between the ages of 25 to 55. Mostly males, about 70% males and 30% females. But you females need to also start watching these videos, because what I'm going to do today, I'm going to talk about this Crypto.com. I was kind of scared of this stuff, you know. You know how we are. We are the Generation X. I call ourselves the Generation X. I've been watching these millennials. These kids are hustlers, and they trying different stuff, you know. And one thing they're looking into is this cryptocurrency. And I was kind of skeptical of it, you know. But about 6 months ago, I did start investing in cryptocurrency. I got an app called Crypto.com, and I bought some Ethereum, some Dogecoin, and Shiba. And what I did, I took $4,000 on May the 4th and staked it in crypto currency, in the Crow currency, and I got a credit card. And it's amazing the benefits that it comes with this. And I'm going to share my app with you guys. I'm going to let you look at what I'm looking at. I got it here on my phone. I'm going to put it there on the side. And we're going to open this Crypto.com app. And if you want to install this on the phone, I'm going to put a link in the description. And if you use that code below, I get $25 and you get $25 also worth of Crow currency. Let me open up my app and share it with you. And I'm going to show you what I got here. Okay, first we're gonna open up the crypto currency app. You see right there, I'm gonna click it and open it up. And as you can see right now, as of today, it's 12,000. Oh, it jumped. Wow, $12,881.34. And this stuff is open 365 days a year and 24 hours a day. It never shut down, not for Thanksgiving or Christmas or anything. It's constantly running. They don't have no holidays. So this market right here is on all the time. But I'm going to show you my account. We're going to go to my account right here. At the bottom, I'm going to click on it. And what you see right there, you see the crypto wallet. I got some Shiba, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and so forth. But what I want you to look at is this Crypto.com. Right here where you see the $8,600, I'm gonna click on it. And right now you see how much it is a share. It's 37 cents, almost 38 cents a share. But if you go down a little bit, you see right there where it's a CRC stake. What I did on May the 4th, which was a little over 6 months ago, about 6 months ago, I purchased 23,112 crows, which was worth $3,999.90 at the time. And as you see how much it's worth today, it's worth $8,501. So I put only $4,000 in there, and now today, 6 months later, it's worth $8,500. And I can unstake it now after 180 days. And it'll show at the bottom. Like a couple of weeks ago, it said I had 10 days I can unstake. Then the next day, 9, 8, 7. So now I can just hit this and unstake that and put it into my wallet and cash it out. I could cash out $8,500. I only put $4,000 in there 6 months ago. And then what's so beautiful about this? I'm gonna use the term beautiful about it. You got so many benefits. You get 10% back for your $4,000, and they pay you weekly. So they take the 10% and divide it by 52. So you get right here. I'm gonna just show you how much I get every week. All this is green. These are credits that are going to my Crow account, and it's not staked, so I can cash those out anytime I want. You see right there, 44.32 of crows. I get that every week. That's the stake rewards. So that's about $15, $16 a week. It depends upon the value of your stock, what you're holding. And you see all of these, I use my credit card to buy food and different things like that. Purchase airline tickets. and I get 3% back. I'm gonna show you all the benefits. I also get free Netflix. And so my Netflix is paid for because I stake with this credit card. My Spotify, I don't even use Spotify, but I got it anyway because it's free. Because you could use your credit card to pay for your Netflix and Spotify, and they credit that money right back to you. And if you scroll through there, you may see it somewhere where it says Netflix. But I'm gonna go all the way to the bottom. I'm gonna see if I can get to May the 4th when I first purchased this Crow. As you can see right there, it say I bought Crow. This was on May the 4th. I bought 23,112 crows, and I paid $3,999.92. And you can click on it, it'll give you the details. It gives you the date and time that you purchased at. So I purchased it for this amount, and you seen today it's worth $8,500. Crazy. Where can you get that out of a bank account? If you put you put $4,000 in a bank account, and I've tried it. I put 4,000, and then I think 6 months later, I made maybe 8 cents off of it. I didn't even make 50 cents off the $4,000 I let the bank hold for me. And these people, and you see all this stuff in green, and I cash out some of my. If you see everything in green is credits that I get to my Crow. You can see right here, I cashed that out. Anything in black, I've cashed out, completed. And what I could do is transfer it into my bank account, top my credit card back up. You can see right here, I completed on October the 7th. I cashed out. These are rewards that I got from using my credit card and from the 10% staking. If I click on it, I cashed out $237. And I didn't put it in I could have put it right into my checking account, Bank of America, if I wanted to. It takes like a day or two to do that. Or you can top your credit card. I just credited it to my credit card, and I constantly use my credit card. So I really don't have to put money on my credit card that they give you for staking, because you can get that from the rewards, and we go back to the top of this. As you can see, it may refresh. I still got that 23,112 crows that are worth today $8,500. And you guys seen what I seen, and I can unstake this because it's been 6 months. So I can click and unstake, or I can upgrade to another credit card, which I'm gonna do next week. I'm going to the $40,000 card, and you get more benefits. And on that 40,000, you stake 40,000, you got to hold it for 180 days. Just imagine if I would have put $40,000 instead of the 4,000. That 40,000 would be worth $85,000 now. That's crazy. It's making $45,000 in 6 months. You don't hardly do that at a job, and that's if I would have staked 40,000. And it's crazy. This stuff that we didn't learn when I was growing up. We was taught, hey, we're gonna work for people. We didn't know how to invest our money. Yeah, I was making good money in 1999 and 98. If I would have invested $10,000 in Amazon today, it would be worth about $12 million. I didn't know about investing, and I'm trying to learn. I got the opportunity to learn. Some of you guys know my story. I've been worked for a company for 27 years, and they let me go in 2019. And I thought it was the worst thing, but I found out it was the best thing, because what they were paying me now, making almost 2-3 times that amount, because I'm learning about investment. I'm learning about the internet. I'm learning how to make these videos. I'm using a little green screen. I'm learning this as I go. It takes a little time, but I'm using my time for me. I'm not going to work for somebody else to make them millions. And then after 27 years, they say, hey, we don't need you no more. Then I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna make it. But anyway, like I said, if you wanna download this app, use the link below, and we both get $25. I know $25 don't seem like a lot, but it'll add up in the long run when you start investing. And I'm gonna just walk you through this and just show you the credit card. I'm gonna go back, and down here at the bottom where it says credit card, you click on it, and you can top it up with your Crow. Right here it says top up, and it shows you all your transactions that you use. And like I use mine at Kroger's and claim jumpers at the casino and different, and I get credit back from like 3%. And most credit cards do give like 3%, but they're not gonna give you a 10% on your stake. Like I staked that $4,000, I get 10%, and they pay weekly, and they never miss a beat. And I'm gonna go up here at the top on my credit card. I'm gonna see if I can. I'm gonna go full details, and here go the full. This is the card I got. I get 3% back. I get 100% back on Spotify, Netflix. So air lounges, we could go. Me and my wife, we could go and sit in the air lounge and drink. We just use our little metal credit card, the green J credit card. I think I may have it in my wallet. Let me go get it right quick. All right, I'm back. I went to get the credit card. This is what it looks like. Hope I got it. Okay, I'm turning it the right way. Just have your name on it. And this right here is metal. And on the back side, they have your numbers and everything. But you can use this card and get into lounges and different things. This is the credit card. This is a J green one, which I staked and get, like I said, all these rewards. Like I said, I'm supposed to upgrade, get that $40,000. How I could come up with $40,000 because I made investment in Tesla and Ford and a few other companies. So I was taking my money where I was working as a CWI and making good money as a CWI, and I took that money and I invested in Tesla in 2020. And just imagine what Tesla was. That year it went up 750 something percent. So I made some good investments. And this year I've been investing in Ford because I know I'm in an oil and gas field. A lot of people ain't gonna wanna hear this, but everything's changing. They're gonna slowly weed out this oil and gas, and they're gonna go to these EV vehicles, these electric vehicles. And it is what it is. And look at this. This is some of the electric trucks that are out there. I mean, it's a nice one. Look at these trucks. Ford, and you got Tesla. They coming out with these trucks in 2021, 2022. These things go up to 300 miles a gallon, and the price of gas, I think, even in California right now, it's almost $7 a gallon. Here in Texas, we're over $3 a gallon, and that's not normal for Texas. And I know the industry is changing, and this electric stuff is coming up. But also, like I said, I'm sharing this investment things with you guys, this cryptocurrency. I didn't think it was real, but as you can see what I'm looking at, this stuff is crazy. I'm gonna go back on my app here and I'm gonna show you something here. We're gonna go to crypto.com again, and right here I can hit the upgrade. I'm gonna show you what the upgrade look. When you hit upgrade, you got right now the most popular is the 4,000 worth pro right here. This is the one I have. But and that's that green credit card I'll show you. This card right here. That's what that is. But what I'm gonna do next week, I'm gonna take some of my investment I made in Tesla and Ford, and I'm gonna stake $40,000 worth of Crow. And just look at the benefits compared to the other ones. You get 100% back on Spotify, Netflix, Prime. So my Amazon Prime, I'm gonna be getting that free also. 10% back, Expedia. And if you got a lot of money, I'm gonna scroll over, you can do the $400,000. You get Airbnb, but I'm gonna stick with this 40,000 for right now. But then you could go to airlines. Now the stake, instead of 10%, is 12% CRO stake rewards, 12%. And on the one I got, it's only 10%. And that's an extra 2%. And they're paying it weekly, which is amazing to me. You earn bonus entries, Cryptocom Privacy. It's crazy. And like I said, Generation X, I'm hanging with these millennials. I'm trying to learn this new stuff, and this is the card I'm gonna get right there. And only thing you have to do is click on it, and hit continue to stake. I'm gonna hit continue, and that's how many crows it's gonna take. It's gonna take 81,890. And how they do that, they take the crows I already have, which is 23,112, and they subtract it and come up with this number that will equals a total of 40. So I take the $8,000, $8,500. So the only thing I would have to put in is another, let's see, 40. That's about $32,000. So I would have to come up with $32,000 to stake this credit card. So I don't have it in my wallet right now. I'm gonna have to transfer it from my bank account into my wallet, and that takes about 3-4 days. And these are the benefits. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day. And if you want to start staking your crows, just use the link below so we can both benefit from the $25 reward, and have a great day. Thank you.